China is really rich of culture. Now we can see the Indian movie in Chinese.
Manager used 3 languages in.
Oh, what is this? Is it the mosque? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Assalamu alaikum. I hope so you are doing well, and today I and Jason are here, Weifang City. Say Jason. Hello. It's Weifang City, China, and we are here and we are here at Qingzhou Songcheng, Weifang, China.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया।
Jason will tell you about the history of this place. Okay, Jason, it's over to you.
This area is Qingzhou Songcheng and it belongs to Weifang. This city may be from 5,000 years ago.
5,000
Yeah,
years
500
ago.
years.
Wow.
And
Tell me in Chinese. It's okay.
Chinese.
Yes.
OK 啊，青州宋城啊，它是中国的一个老城市。中国分为9个，古代的时候分为9大洲，然后青州呢是其中的一个大洲。那么我们现在就在这个位置。Welcome everybody and to come here and play with us.
Okay. Let's come and visit together.
OK,
See
we
you.
will record another.
Yes. Yes.
And a lot of German building. The Chinese word, and its name is 篆书.
Zhuanshu is one of the Chinese methods for writing, especially carving of seals. The art of seal is the cornerstone of Chinese fine arts that indicates the identification and authorization.
Okay, Hamna today come to Andingmen of Qingzhou Song Dynasty.
Wow! जी तो friends, आप Chinese architecture देख रहे हैं. This architecture has developed over millennia in China. Amazing. Nanyang River, Southern Ocean. Under the warmth of spring sun, the Nanyang River in Qingzhou looks as green as a piece of jade. Wow. This is ancient Chinese spiral 8 pattern. It is very important in China. इस एक पैटर्न के आपको पता है इतने मीनिंग्स हैं कि चाइना में लोग इस पर पूरे के पूरे थीसिस लिख देते हैं. But maybe I can explain this a little bit. These are 2 bows back against each other, which means back away from evil and face towards benign. Means to be kind, try to be kind.
This is Chinese.
You're live in
Qingzhou.
Yes. Pakistan also have the a lot of historical places and not this kind of buildings but a lot of history, but not that much like China is really rich of culture.
Yes,
you have.
Because when I see the movie of Pakistan,
Yes.
I find the Pakistan culture very interesting.
Yes, and different from the China, totally different.
Yes.
Wow, this is the Chinese old plant queen in China. But now people are using it for the photo shoot, and it's just really amazing. थोड़ा आगे आए तो हमें गन्ने के जूस वाला नजर आया और मैं रह ही ना सकी. मुझे लगा कि पहली बार चाइना से गन्ने का जूस ट्राई करना चाहिए. ये हमें 10 RMB का मिला. अरे भाई ये क्या आ रहा है? लुक एट द ब्यूटीफुल सिटी साइट सीइंग. बस वाओ.
Oh, what is this? Is it the mosque?
And there are a lot of people.
Oh, for the
Muslim.
prayer, yes. This is Arabic word, Bismillah Rahmani Rahim. It means we are starting something with the name of Allah.
Yeah.
It means that.
There has some Chinese words.
Oh,
奉普慈特慈真主之尊名。
What does it mean?
The same explain.
And this is one of the favorites face paint of Chinese kids and youngsters, especially on their festivals. I'm not sure what uncle is selling, but मुझे लगता है this is some kind of medicine, like traditional medicine. If you know about this, then mention in comments. As I told you, Weifang City is the city of artists. So these are so cute, and they made like this is handmade, and they made with aluminum. Wow. जी तो ये कोई स्वीट्स नहीं है, बल्कि ये वेफेंग सिटी के स्पेशल स्नैक्स हैं, जिसका टेस्ट जो है वो पाकिस्तानी दही बल्लो जैसा है। यही नहीं, वेफेंग के लोग तो हर तरह से परफेक्ट हैं। लुक एट द ब्यूटीफुल आवर्स। यहाँ मैंने परिंदों को रखने के लिए एक नया तरीका देखा, जिसमें परिंदा जो है वो बिल्कुल आज़ाद है, बस उन्होंने चेन के थ्रू उसका एक पैर बांध दिया है, जिससे परिंदा अपने आप को केज के अंदर फील नहीं करता, लेकिन फिर भी कैद तो है। दिस इज फेमस बियर फैक्ट्री इन वेफेंग, जहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिक बियर बनाई जाती है। दिस इज द चाइनीज ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट, जिसमें हम हॉट शुगर सिरप को डिफरेंट 3 डायमेंशनल एनिमल्स बनाने के लिए यूज करते हैं। क्या आप जानते हैं, दिस आर्ट फॉर्म हैज बीन प्रैक्टिस्ड इन पब्लिक प्लेसेस फॉर मोर देन 600 years। अमेजिंग। ये देखिए इन्होंने कितनी नफासत के साथ हैंडमेड वुडन वर्क किया हुआ है। दिस This is the pasta, like maybe that one,
That one?
yeah.
We can mix.
Okay, yeah.
也是用汉语说吗？还是说你们有那个就是那个那个语言？
Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Yesterday we didn't get the Muslim restaurant here, and but today Jason find one of the Muslim restaurant finally, and now we will have
How to eat you?
yes. Now we will have food. Yes,
We have food and we must
we are getting
eat
late.
fast.
Okay. How to eat faster? You will teach me.
Because we have another location.
Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay, this is soup. And what we order, this is the noodles, like beef noodles, I think. So finally, after one day, I'm having the good food, because yesterday we ate the burgers, and I ate fish burger and Jason ate the chicken burger, but today we can enjoy the dumplings. Thank God, alhamdulillah. Finally we got the Muslim restaurant in Weifang. This is our food.
看六。
What is this? This is salad? Okay.
We eat a lot of Muslim food, and we talked about the manager used 3 language in Chinese, in Muslim,
Arabic.
Arabic, and English. So interesting.
Now you are like a lot of language in your head.
yeah. You see, we are more like it.
Jason, tell me how I speak Chinese.
Speak Chinese what?
How I can speak Chinese? I just broke the leg. Like I speak Chinese badly. Now we can see the Indian movie in Chinese. Which movie do you like?
कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं।
Oh, okay, Bahubali. Wow.
I hope so friends you like the Weifang culture vlog, and please Don't forget to watch my next vlog of Viewfang. See you till the next video again in China. Bye bye.